Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing another clothing haul. Apparently I can't stop buying clothes. I mean, not even apparently, like we all knew this. So I have some stuff from Forward that I want to show you. I think I just gave you all of my information. Some Fashion Nova pieces that I want to show you, and one very exciting piece from Hermes. Of course, it's not a bag because I would make at least 15 videos just dedicated to that if it was a bag, but I am still really excited. It was a wish list item, so I figured we'll just throw them all together and we'll talk about them all, because why not? If my voice sounds a little off, by the way, my bad. I have tonsillitis, but I'm at the end of it, so it's okay. It sounded a lot worse before, I promise you. Anyways, if you guys want to see the new clothing slash not clothing pieces that I picked up, please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post every Wednesday and Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I think you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, if you like fashion, if you like clothing hauls, because apparently I'm doing a whole bunch of those, if you like handbags, jewelry, the whole spiel, if you like any of that stuff, I think you're gonna want to subscribe. That's my feeling for what you would want to do. Like, I feel like you want to do it. But with that out of the way, let's just jump into it. Thinking probably Fashion Nova is the least exciting piece of this, so we're just gonna get that out of the way first. So the first piece that I picked up from Fashion Nova, and this is all summer stuff, okay? My last haul, I said it was gonna be like a mixture of summer stuff, and it was only like 15% summer stuff. But this order, which is obviously not a big order anyways, is all summer dresses, if I remember that correctly. The first piece that I got is this beautiful floral dress. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? What I thought was really cool about this was the fact that it's like basically backless, so you can't wear this with a bra. I still haven't figured out my boob tape situation. You guys already know that I can't just walk around without a bra. That's just not a thing that I personally can do. I think if you can do that, more power to you. You should do that. But I just can't. So I need to figure out my life. I just feel like the vibes for the summer are tea time with the girls. And that's it. That's the only thing that I'm interested in for the summer. So even the dress that I'm wearing today, which you can't even see obviously, but this was actually from my previous haul, so I'll link that haul right up here. Next piece actually makes me feel like this is a little awkward because it is a denim dress. And if you can't tell, this is a denim dress. Listen, I really like denim dresses. Denim dresses, rompers, jumpsuits, like things like that. They get me going. It is long sleeve, and it's definitely different because it is kind of cinched at the waist here. The one that I'm wearing is like a lot more flowy, I feel like. And it's short. It's very cute. This I don't actually feel like would be good for the summer. It feels kind of thicker. The denim on this, like this denim is very, very lightweight. And I mean, I've been wearing this all day and I haven't been hot at all. And it's obviously the middle of July. Well, the end of July. Oh my God, it's literally the end of July. It says 31st. I feel like if I was to wear this, I would be sweating. So maybe this would be better for like early September, which high key is my favorite. September is my favorite month in the entire year. And no, September and October both. This is a red, again, floral dress, tea time with the girls. You know, how many times are we gonna go through this? Not this many times. And it does have a little like tie around the waist, which if you didn't see my last haul, I love a good cinched waist. That's like my favorite thing in the world. So this I'm definitely here for. I love that it is like this statement red color. I feel like this would look so freaking beautiful, even with what like, imagine if I was wearing this. I usually don't like a red lip with like a red outfit, but why do I feel like this is actually cute? I like how it also has like some beige accents in there, so you know you could wear this with like pretty much anything. You got white and beige, like what more do you need? I'm very excited about this one. Obviously, like I said, it's my favorite one. It does actually tie at the neck, which is also a very cute look. I'm just here for it. If you guys saw my Van Cleef vlog, which I'll link right up here in the cards, I was wearing a Fashion Nova like really like floral girly dress, and I got a lot of compliments that day when I was out, so that's what prompted this order. So here is the piece. It is like a corset top with like a lot of sheer accents, I don't know why I said that like that, accents going on. It's supposed to be one of those like bodysuits that like you can see like the bodysuit piece is actually hanging out, but it's obviously not an actual bodysuit. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what it's supposed to be like. And then you've got this sheer piece up top. This goes over your shoulder, and then you got to tie it here with this. Remember when I was buying this, I had like a very specific outfit in mind. I was gonna wear this with like a leather skirt, and that was just gonna be like my hoochie moment for the night, and it was gonna be really cute. So this is the last dress from Fashion Nova that I picked up. I love that it's like this beautiful bright yellow again. This would be really cute. It has green, pink, and white flowers all throughout it, so you know this will match pretty much everything. And I'm really excited about it. And the bottom, look at this. Look at this. This is adorable. You can't tell me not. I think if Alana saw me in this dress, she'd pass out. All right, well, that's it for Fashion Nova. Let's move on to Forward, shall we? You guys know Forward was having a sale. And honestly, everybody's having a sale. Like, who's not having a sale is a better question. This piece specifically came up. And I had seen this a long time ago, a while ago, probably when it was like just coming out, and I loved it, but it was just too expensive. Like I was just not gonna do it. And if you guys know me, like, you know, like I don't spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a ready to wear. Oh, spoiler alert, it's a ready to wear piece. So it is a dress, another floral summer girly dress from Zimmermann. This is the most beautiful dress with the little hummingbirds on the front. This is in a size 1, which is the size that I have my other dress in. I have to say, this does feel like very thick, like robust material. Like this is kind of thick. Actually, I don't know if I would want to wear this in the summer because it is very thick. All right, it's the moment we've all been waiting for, and by we, I do mean we, myself included. So I went to Hermes for the first time in my entire life today. I don't even want to open this because it's so gorgeous, but I'm gonna open it because I really want to use what's inside. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. I will one day figure out how to tie a ribbon. Is that day today? No, it sure isn't. It's 2 dust bags. And I know that you know exactly what this is because it was on my wish list. So if you guys didn't see my wish list video, I will link it right up here. But I spoke about how I really want these white orange sandals. And I freaking got them, you guys. I am so obsessed and I cannot wait. I don't want to put them too close to my face. And they are obviously clean. I have not worn them. This is my first time unboxing them. I tried them on in the store, but literally on carpet. And they like make you stay on the carpet. They're like, don't stay on the carpet because it's not a game. I love how comfortable they are. These are, I mean, obviously I only tried them on in store. I haven't worn them, like actually worn them. But I was wearing my most painful shoes today, which are these Prada ones. I'll put a picture of them here. They are so effing painful. If you guys own these shoes, please tell me how to not make them painful because a bitch is in pain. I was wearing those and then she had me try. It touched my face. I was wearing those and then she had me try them on and it was like walking on a freaking cloud after walking on those Prada ones. The only thing that sucks is I only have probably like 1, maybe 1.5 more months that I can wear them. So I'm gonna wear the crap out of them. You will see these in so many outfit pictures. You're gonna be like, oh my God, here she goes again with these damn RNs. But you know what? It's about to be the fall and I'm about to not be able to wear them. So that's it for this haul video. I am so excited about the pieces that I got, obviously, just like I say in every single video. Let me know, what is your favorite piece from this haul? I obviously have to say my favorite piece is the Oran sandals. It's like not even a question. But besides that, it's gonna have to be the Zimmermann dress, okay? I am sorry. I am who I am, okay? I'm excited because there are some more unboxings coming up and I promise you, you're gonna wanna see them. You are gonna wanna see them. Some of the pieces are here and you're gonna wanna see them. So definitely subscribe if you are not already. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you did like it, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. It's just the Katie Danger. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hello, I'm Mama. Let's check out my purse.
All right, let's get out of here.